आदित्यः सविता सूर्यः खगः भूषागभस्तिमान् सुवर्णसदृशो भानुर्विश्वरेतः दिवाकरः।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I bid you yet again a warm welcome to the Aditya Birla Awards for Outstanding Achievement. My co-host for this evening, gorgeous Diana Hayden.
Thank you, Brian, who is charming as ever. Welcome also to group members from around the world who are joining us through live feed.
And tonight, at the Aditya Birla Awards for Outstanding Achievement, we celebrate those who have used the power of the mind to innovate, have overcome all adversity through the power of the heart, and have worked according to the highest principles of the group in an ethical, value-based spirit. Quite aptly, the theme of this year's awards is the Trinity of Victory, Mind, Heart, and Spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to invite to the stage our chairman, Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla, to address us. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Birla.
Good evening. Today, all of us trumpet and celebrate path-breaking successes achieved by hundreds of our teams across the world. We also acknowledge colleagues who have made remarkable contributions to our group and who have gone beyond the call of duty. It is a truism that tough times don't last, tough people do.
A relentless champion of the Aditya Birla Group values, he has an uncompromising integrity and a strong value system with unflinching commitment to the organization. An outstanding leader must be a dreamer and an inspirational leader.
And now I'm going to request on stage to announce the awards.
And to present the awards, I would like to invite on stage once again Mr. Birla.
For sustained delivery of revenue and profitability growth, for his outstanding commitment to innovation and cost efficiency, for his insightful knowledge of the sector, and for his dedication to nurture young professionals, the Outstanding Leader Award goes to Mr. Rajesh Somani, President, Swiss Singapore Overseas Enterprises. Rajesh, you can't escape. You have to say a few words.
First, thank you for generous introduction of mine. And what is more satisfying is that my wife is not here to give second opinion about me. But don't worry. I may not be outstanding at home, but I am not bad also. I firmly believe no amount of success in your office or business can compensate your failure at home. I feel balance is the essence of the life. I thank you, my all teachers and professors, my parents, who has given me a best available education within the limited resources available at their end. I thank you, my wife, Varsha, for his support at home and encouragement. Without that, I would have not been stand here today. I thank you, my all the 4 business directors in the group, where I got opportunity to work under them. I started my career in Indian Rail, Veeraval, under the leadership of Sri B.L. Sasab, to whom I consider my mentor in this group. He is a live example of unquestionable commitment and integrity. I learned from him, being honest is not enough, it must look like also. Dear colleagues, it is a matter of pride and prestige to be a part of Aditya Birla Group, where employer expect from us to deliver the results by following business ethics and law of the lands. It may sound very small thing, but I remember late Sri Aditya Babu's words when I was during a small briefing when I was transferred from Indian Rail to Werawal to Dubai. He said, Rajesh, Dubai is known for various activities, but please attempt only quality business. Even if you will do the small business, we will be happy. Last but not least, by design, this reward I am receiving as an individual, in individual capacity, but I feel I am receiving on behalf of my team. फिर मिलेंगे. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.
That's fantastic, Rajesh.